Assalamu alaikum. I am Ifat Sadiq, teacher SSC Primary School, Dawood Colony. Dear students, today our topic is Defense Officer Wahida. Yes, Wahida is Lieutenant Commander. Imsha Asalna Wahida Prism. Doctor Sumantari Fojich. India के समंदरी फौजी डॉक्टर छे. She is one of the few women who has worked on a naval ship. Ye kho tomo women zo man zanyo man yus hasa at samandari shipas mans kam cha kara. She is the first woman to lead a parade. Yes, first woman yim hasa qayadat kar katmans parade month. This is considered to be a very big honor. But Azat Imaman armed forces man ke godnich woman imhesa parade kayadat kar. We especially spoke to Wahida for this book. Especially tasit kat baat karan Wahida sit at yat book mans. When paro is sketch tas vanan. Question Wahida, tell us something about your childhood and school. Wahida question karan कि tsprus vansa panne bachpanu yilts school us gasa tat mutallaq van aske kat. Wahida chavana I come from a very small village called Thana Mandi. This is in Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir. Wahida chavana ke basa ayas ke lakte gaam peth tat chavana Thana Mandi. The yasach Jammu Kashmir asmaz a gaam Rajouri. Yetba rozanas. I did my schooling from government school. मैं सपर पन बचपन school कोर में start government school पेट बस government school असमंस पारान. तो आयते आसा वारिया कोरे इमिगाम च आयते parne at school असमंस. However, few of them ever thought of what they would do after finishing school. उमूमन आस कि हमाना कि इस क्या करो ये इस स्कूल मकलाओ पर पत क्या करो इस मजीद तो बते ऐसे वैसा इथे पट कि बगस कि स्पेशल बनिन बगस आगे बढ़िन कि त्योत गसस बकरिन तम सत समाजस मज इज्जत रोज तो वसा हायर स्टडीजन prefer karan bus wana bu par higher study kar bu to mesa kur 10th pass pannis area has mans yos tamanduhun os variya ki yos ak new thing no chiza ak tamanduhun 10th pass karun means merge us Bay Munis father was Toman Pevaria difficulty Tolin Miani Khutra. The Meko 10th pass the Bugayas Pat Panya 9ish Rajouri